Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iMessage waiting for activation. When you turned on iMessage, Google is showing the error like this waiting for activation. That it means your network problem. So you have to open settings. Now from here you have to go to Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just simply you have to turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it on. And if you're using cellular data, just simply you have to make sure that you are not using low power mode. Okay guys, now from here you have to close this page, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open setting. Now from here you have to go to iMessage. You have to turn off the iMessage. Now close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to turn off your device. For that you have to open setting general. Now from here you have to shut down your device please for the 60 second and then turn it on again, and then just simply you have to open setting and go through iMessage. Now from here guys, you have to turn on iMessage again, and after that I guarantee your problem will be fixed. And if once is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open setting. Then maybe you have any pending update here. If you have, just simply have to update your device to the latest version. And after that open setting. Now tap on general. Now from here you have to go to transfer reset. Now tap on reset. From here you have to reset your network setting. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to force restart your device. And after that I guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.